Hello, everyone. Amy with Annuities Genius here, coming with just a quick reminder. Annuities Genius was built on the principles of trust and transparency, and we want to ensure that these values are being reflected, especially in the use of our Performance Analyzer feature. Please note that the information it contains represents hypothetical historical performance of the indices based on the annuity's current caps, spreads, and par rates, and it's not guaranteed. Furthermore, it does not include rider charges, account fees, or applicable premium bonuses. It's imperative that you correctly represent these products and yourself as an agent in order for you to provide your clients with the best service possible. If you noticed, some of these hypothetical performances are coming through a bit high. Something I like to do to bring it back to a more realistic and sustainable area from the very get go is under sorting by. I sort by the 20 years performance. And under any index age, I like to automatically take that up to 10 years or more. An interesting NAIC law with that index. Nowadays, some insurance carriers won't allow you to run illustrations on indices that have been around for less than 10 years. So some product illustrations may be restricted. We just want to make sure that you're up to date with all of these new laws and regulations and that you're using Annuities Genius in the best possible way. Contact us if you have any further questions, or you can always reach out to your carrier if you need more information on these laws. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you are enjoying the platform. And again, contact us at any time with questions. Bye bye.